The universe is not outside of you. Look inside yourself. Everything that you want, you already are. Manifestation, often perceived as a mystical concept, is, in reality, a potent force that shapes our lives in ways both subtle and profound. It's the art of turning dreams into reality, the process by which our thoughts and intentions materialize in the physical world. At its core, manifestation is about harnessing the power of belief, visualization, and alignment to create the life we desire. Manifestation, the art of turning dreams into reality, is not a mystical incantation but a dance of intention and alignment. It's a dialogue with the universe, where our deepest desires are whispered into the cosmic winds, waiting for the world to echo back in resonance. In this video, we embark on a journey to uncover the subtle, unexpected signs that the universe is not only listening but orchestrating its response. These signs, often cloaked in the mundane, are the universe's way of affirming that it hears our heart's yearning, and it is in the process of shaping our destinies. As we unravel these mysteries, let us remember that we are not isolated beings, but threads in the vast tapestry of existence. Our dreams, intentions, and desires hold the power to shape not only our individual stories, but the symphony of the cosmos itself. Join me as we decode the silent whispers of the universe, hidden in plain sight, and learn to harmonize with the rhythms of creation. Manifestation is not a mere wishful thinking exercise. It is a transformative journey of self-discovery and empowerment. It compels us to identify our deepest desires, clarify our goals, and envision the life we want to lead. This process of introspection and goal setting is a pivotal step in personal growth. It allows us to break free from the limitations we impose upon ourselves and opens the door to our fullest potential. As we set intentions and align our thoughts with our desires, we undergo a profound shift in consciousness. Our beliefs begin to evolve, shedding the layers of doubt and negativity that held us back. We start to see ourselves as capable, deserving individuals, worthy of the dreams we hold in our hearts. This shift in mindset is a cornerstone of personal growth, for it lays the foundation upon which we build a life filled with purpose, passion, and fulfillment. A few years ago, I found myself at a crossroads in my career. I aspired to transition from a mundane job to a fulfilling career aligned with my true passions, writing and helping others. The path ahead seemed uncertain and challenging, but I decided to apply the principles of manifestation. I began by clearly defining my goals and envisioning the life I desired. Every day, I devoted time to visualize myself thriving in my dream career, feeling the joy it brought me. I immersed myself in positive affirmations that bolstered my self-belief. And, most importantly, I took consistent action towards my goals, trusting that the universe would respond. The universe did respond, in ways both unexpected and awe-inspiring. Opportunities I never anticipated started to manifest. A chance encounter led to a mentor who guided me along the path I had envisioned. Writing assignments and collaborations began to pour in. It was as if the universe had conspired to align circumstances, people, and events to support my journey. This personal experience underscored the profound connection between our thoughts, intentions, and the universe's response. It taught me that manifestation is not about wishing upon a star and waiting for miracles. It's about co-creating our reality with the universe through belief, action, and unwavering faith. The universe, vast and mysterious, operates on a principle often summarized as like attracts like. It responds to the energy we emit through our thoughts, emotions, and intentions. When our thoughts are aligned with our desires and infused with positivity and belief, we send out a powerful signal to the universe. In turn, the universe conspires to bring about the circumstances and opportunities that match our vibrational frequency. It orchestrates a series of synchronicities, chance encounters, and serendipitous events that guide us toward the realization of our dreams. This response is not bound by time or space. It transcends the barriers of logic and reason, working quietly behind the scenes to manifest our intentions into reality. As we journey through life, let us remember that manifestation is not a whimsical idea, but a transformative force. It empowers us to shape our destinies, cultivate a growth-oriented mindset, and attract the abundance we deserve. By understanding and harnessing the power of manifestation, we embark on a path of self-discovery and personal growth that holds the potential to create the life of our dreams. These signs, often subtle and unexpected, serve as reminders that we are co-creators of our destiny, engaged in a beautiful dance with the universe itself. The power of intuition. Intuition is often described as that inner voice or gut feeling, an innate sense of knowing that transcends rational thinking. It's a phenomenon that's been celebrated across cultures and ages, recognized as a valuable source of insight and wisdom. While the exact mechanism behind intuition remains a mystery, its effects are undeniable. While intuition may appear mysterious, science offers a glimpse into its workings. Our brains are incredibly complex, processing vast amounts of information at astonishing speeds. In the midst of this information overload, our subconscious mind is continually at work, sorting through the data, recognizing patterns, and drawing conclusions below the threshold of conscious awareness. This subconscious processing gives rise to those intuitive insights. It's our brain's way of delivering a condensed, distilled version of its analysis, often filtered through emotions and feelings. In essence, intuition is the result of your brain's unparalleled ability to process information beyond what you consciously perceive. The power of intuition is not limited to a select few. It's a gift inherent in all of us. Cultivating and honing this inner compass can lead to a richer, more fulfilling life. In a world of distractions, create moments of stillness and quiet contemplation. Meditation and mindfulness practices can help you tune into your intuitive signals. Have you ever experienced a moment when the universe seemed to conspire in your favor, when events aligned so perfectly that they left you in awe? These are the instances where meaningful coincidences and synchronicities come into play. They are the cosmic winks, the subtle nods from the universe, guiding us along our life's path. Picture this: you're contemplating a major life decision, perhaps considering changing your career or relocating to a new city. As you wrestle with the possibilities, you randomly strike up a conversation with a stranger at a coffee shop. During this seemingly ordinary chat, they share a story that mirrors your own situation, offering insight and advice that feels tailor-made for your dilemma. This encounter feels like more than just a chance. It feels like the universe has spoken directly to you. Meaningful coincidences, often called coincidences with a purpose, are those uncanny moments when events align in a way that seems beyond mere chance. They might appear trivial on the surface, but they carry a profound message or lesson. Imagine you've been pondering a career change for months, and suddenly, you receive an unsolicited email from an old friend who works in your dream industry. They mention a job opening that matches your skills perfectly. This is no ordinary email. It's a cosmic nudge, urging you to seize the opportunity. Synchronicities are like the universe's GPS, guiding us toward our intended destinations. They are those serendipitous moments when events and circumstances align flawlessly, propelling us forward on our life journey. Let's say you've been contemplating a move to a new city, but you're hesitant because you're unsure of your future there. As you research potential neighborhoods, you keep stumbling upon articles and stories about people who made similar moves and found great success and happiness. It's as if the universe is saying, "You're on the right track, keep moving forward." Meaningful coincidences and synchronicities remind us that we are part of something much greater than ourselves. They encourage us to pay attention to the world around us, to listen to the whispers of the universe, and to trust the journey we're on. These moments aren't about blind faith. They're about recognizing patterns, embracing opportunities, and staying open to the guidance that life offers. They remind us that we are co-creators of our destiny, actively engaged in a dialogue with the universe. Pay attention to your surroundings and the people you encounter. Often, synchronicities occur when we are fully present in the moment. As we navigate the intricate web of existence, remember that meaningful coincidences and synchronicities are the universe's way of letting us know that we are on the right path. They invite us to embrace life with wonder and curiosity, to trust in the unseen forces that guide us, and to walk boldly toward our dreams. Each meaningful coincidence is a gentle reminder that we are not alone in this journey, and that the universe, in all its mysterious ways, is listening and responding to our deepest desires. So, be open, be aware, and let the universe's symphony guide you toward a life filled with purpose and fulfillment. Dreams, those mysterious realms where reality and imagination intertwine, have fascinated humanity for eons. Beyond the nightly adventures of our subconscious minds, many believe that dreams hold a deeper significance. They can serve as a channel for the universe to communicate with us, offering insights, guidance, and glimpses into the future. Such experiences are not uncommon, and they often leave us wondering, could dreams be more than just random mental chatter? Could they be a conduit through which the universe communicates its wisdom? In the realm of dreams, the universe speaks in the language of symbols, metaphors, and emotions. These messages may not be as straightforward as a conversation with a friend, but they carry profound insights if we are willing to listen. Dreams often act as a canvas upon which the universe paints its intentions. They can reveal our fears, desires, and unspoken questions. By paying attention to recurring symbols, emotions, or themes in our dreams, we can decode the universe's messages. For instance, if you frequently dream of being chased, it may be a sign that you are avoiding a situation or emotion in your waking life. The universe is nudging you to confront that which you fear and find resolution. On the other hand, dreams of flying can symbolize a desire for freedom, unburdened by limitations. These dreams may encourage you to pursue your goals with renewed vigor. It's important to note that interpreting dreams is highly personal. What holds meaning for one person may be different for another. The universe speaks to us in a language uniquely tailored to our individual experiences and challenges. Therefore, cultivating self-awareness and practicing dream journaling can be invaluable tools in deciphering these cosmic messages. In this cosmic dance between the universe and our dreams, there is an invitation to explore the depths of our consciousness, to seek wisdom beyond the waking world, and to embrace the guidance offered by the cosmos. Each night, as we drift into slumber, we enter a realm where the universe speaks not with words, but with the subtle language of the soul. As we learn to listen, we embark on a journey of self-discovery, guided by the wisdom of the cosmos, one dream at a time. So, step into the limitless potential of the universe, where your dreams await their manifestation. The signs are all around you, guiding you towards a future filled with abundance, joy, and fulfillment. Trust in the universe, trust in yourself, and remember that you are the co-creator of your destiny in this magnificent cosmic dance of creation. There are many other signs too, like electronic glitches, deja vu moments, or music messages. If you're interested in a part 2, please let me know in the comments below. Be open to receiving, and I hope to see you in my future.